Hi, my name is Vatva and I am from C.Trivedi Co. The company is run by my father, Mr. Bharat Trivedi, and my uncle, Mr. Nigam Trivedi. We have been in the manufacturing business since the last 35 to 40 years. We were first making line guides and cartos tender machines for the textile industry, and after that we went into the flexible manufacturing industry, making web guides, and then making or going on to making rotogravures, slitters, and lamination machines. We have showcased 4 of our products in the PlastIndia 2023, and let me show you the products. So this is a 200 line speed MLS machine we have showcased in PlastIndia. This is a 2.3 meter height Graphica. It has a shaft. This is a shafted machine. We use Bonfigoli rotogravures. We use Festo as pneumatic partners. This is a 250 line speed ELS shaftless machine. We have used imported gearbox for shaftless machine. We have used rubber roll sleeve instead of rubber roll, pneumatic sleeve with a mandrel operation. The doctor blade chamber can wholly be operated from here. This also has pneumatic Festo equipment inside, Bonfigoli gearboxes. This is our high speed, newest in the line 350 line speed machine, where we have used rubber roll sleeves from Rossini inside the mandrel. This is whole electronic line shaft using Siemens motors inside, and this time, for the first time in India, we have used a technology where we are using all automatic pneumatic equipments, no valves, no regulators for pneumatics. Everything can be controlled with a touch. This we are using 80 viscosity controlling equipment, viscosity ink circulation systems, all. And this is all trolley based systems. So this is another product, our solventless lamination machine. This is a high-end 5 drive all Siemens motor solventless for paper industry, for heavy usage rolls around 1.5 tons. You can see all the equipment we have been using here. We use all Festo and Bonfigoli gearboxes, Festo pneumatic plates. We have 3 heated regions, 3 heated rollers in the machine. We use all Siemens motors. All 5 motors in this machine are Siemens drives. The whole machine is Siemens driven only. Our other products are as seen on the posters. Is this extrusion co-extrusion lamination machine for flexible industry, where we have partnered with Nordson, Bonfigoli, Rossini, and Macwell, all companies, to make the best possible co-extrusion lamination for the flexible industry. This machine is already in use in Morbi, Rajkot. The duplex drum sliter, heavy duty drum sliter, cantilever sliter, duplex surface rewinder, and inspection machines as well. We have been doing this for the past 25 years, and we are one of the best manufacturers in this line. If anyone who wants to connect with us, they can get our contact details from www.C.Trivedi.com and get our brochures, contact details, everything on that website.